Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about exercise 1.5 in knowing our numbers. This is the first chapter of 6th class. So in exercise 1.5, total 9 questions are given. So these are all word problems. First problem. The number of people who visited village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. So find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. In Delhi, Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was people some 4 days. In 4 days, some people are attended. In first day 15,290. In second day 14,181. In third day 14,235. In fourth day 10,578. So here asking total number of people visited in these 4 days. So on first day how many members attended, on second day how many, on third day how many, and fourth. Total 4 days. We have to do addition of given 4 days population. On first day how many people attended, children? 15,290. On first day how many children? 15,290. On second day how many members people children? 14,181. On third day 14,235. On fourth day 10,578. Which is that 4 days. First day 15,290. Second day 14,181. Third day 14,235. And fourth day 10,578. Here asking the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Total people equal to do addition. 0 plus 1 1 plus 5 6 6 plus 8 how much children? 6 plus 8 14. So 1 carry. 1 plus 9 10 10 plus 8 18 18 plus 3 21 21 plus 7 28. 2 carry right in hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. So 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 5 how much children? 12. 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 4 14 14 plus 0 14. So 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 1 5 5. Once again 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 5 6 6 plus 8 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 9 10 10 plus 8 18 18 plus 3 21 21 plus 7 28. 2 carry. 2 2 plus 4 5 7 12. Here 2. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 4 14 14 plus 0 14. Here 4. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 1 5. So on 4 days how many people attend to visit that game, children? 54,284 children. This is the first sum solution. So 4 days, so we have to do here addition that given population. Clear, children? Yes. Next, second problem. I will send it to you. Exercise 1.5 before class. Next, see children, second problem. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate, defeated means loser. So defeated candidate got 3,52,768. So he is asking how many votes did the winner with the election. He is asking difference. He is asking difference. Two members participating in the Lok Sabha elections. So elected candidate means winner. Elected candidate means winner candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated means loser candidate got 3,52,168. By how many votes did the winner with the election mean do subtraction? Bigger number to bigger number minus smaller number. So see children, in election the elected candidate got number of votes. How many children? 5,87,500. Here 5,87,500. 5,87,500. The defeated candidate got number of votes. How many children? 3,52,768. Here asking difference. Difference means how many votes did the winner in the election. So here asking difference votes. Difference number of votes equal to question mark. Do subtraction. This is the bigger number, smaller number. This is the 5 lakh, this is the 3 lakh. So take this number 5,87,500 minus 3,52,768. See children. 0 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow. In 10th place also 0. Take 100th place. So here 4. Here how much children? 9. Here 10. 10 minus 8 how much children? 10 minus 8 2. Here 9. 9 minus 6 how much children? 3. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 6 3. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 not possible. Take borrow. Here 6. Here 40. This number is 40. 40 minus 7. 7. 40 minus 7. 7. Here 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 8 minus 5. 3. 5 minus 3. 2. So how much is the difference children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. So 2,34,732. 2,34,732. This is the difference. Clear children? Once observe here. the election the elected candidate got number of votes equal to 5,87,500. The defeated candidate got number of votes equal to 3,52,700. The difference number of votes of both equal to how much, children? 2,34,732. Next, sir. Here, children. Next, we are going to take third problem in exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. This is the exercise 1.5. Now, third problem, children. A bicycle industry, write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 and find their difference. Once again, children, here some digits are given. How many mean? 5 digits. What is the digits mean? 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. Given digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. This is the given digits. Here asking greatest and smallest 5-digit number. After that we have to do difference that both. So 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. First we have to make the greatest 5-digit number and we have to make the smallest 5-digit number. So greatest 5-digit number equal to see, children, 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. Which is the bigger? Take 7. After that what, children? 5. After that 4. After that 3. After that 0. Once again, children, 7, 5, 4, 3, 0. Clear, children? Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. This number value is 75,430. Once again, this number value how much, children? Tell me. 75,430. Next, smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. So first, what is the smallest? 0. If you take first 0, that is the 4-digit number. Once again, children, if you take first 0 in 10,000 place, so that number not a 5-digit number. Why? Because left side not value that one. So first take 3. Clear, children? If you take 0, that number is not a 5-digit number. That is a 4-digit number. Why? Because 1, 10. For example, first take 0. Clear? After that 3. After that 4. After that 5. After that 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So what is this number value? 3,457. 3,457. So 3,457 is a 4-digit number. So it's not a 5-digit number. That's why you take first what, children? 3. After that you take 0. After 4, 5, 7. Once here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. How much is number value, children? 30,157. Clear, children? Now we are asking difference of both greatest number and smallest number. So do difference. Difference 0 minus 7 is not possible. Take borrow. This is the 10. This is the 2. 10 minus 7 3. 10 minus 7 how much, children? 3. 2 minus 5 not possible. Take borrow. 3. 12 minus 5 7. 12 minus 5 how much, 7? How much, children? 7. So 3 minus 4 not possible. Take borrow. Here 4. 13 minus 4, 9. 13 minus 4, how much children? 9. 4 minus 0, 4. Here how much children? 7. 7 minus 3, how much children? 4. So what is the difference children? 44,973. Once check it children, it is correct or not? 10 minus 7, 3. Here 2, not possible, take borrow. 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Here 3 is there, but it's not possible. Why? Because 3 minus 4 not possible. Take borrow 1, 13. 13 minus 4, how much children? 13 minus 4, how much children? 9. Here 4 is there. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. What is the difference children? 44,973. Clear children? Yes. Next we are going to take fourth problem. Which problem children? Fourth problem. What is that? A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Per day, that bicycle industry, how many bicycles makes children? 3,125. So find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. Each day, how many bicycles manufactured children? 3,125. Here asking July month. July month has how many days children? 31 days. July month how many? 31. See children. A bicycle industry, this is the fourth problem. A bicycle industry makes number of bicycles each day. Once say children, a bicycle industry makes number of bicycles each day. How many children? 3,125 bicycles. How many bicycles children? 3,125 bicycles. Here asking number of bicycles. A bicycle industry makes number of bicycles in July, month of July or July month. Question mark. Clear children? Per day, how many bicycles to make children? 3,125. On July month, how many bicycles manufactured children? That is the question mark. So here in July month, which month given here? July month. July month had how many days children? 31 days. How many days? 31. Per day 3,125. 31 days means July month. So 31. So 3,125 into 31. This answer is a bicycle industry makes number of bicycles in July month. Answer is 3,125 into 31. 3,125 into 31. Do here. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. Once again children, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. Leave 1's place digit. Now take 10's place digit. 3 5 are 15, 1 carry, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15, 1 carry, 3 2 are 6, plus 1, 7, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Now 5, 2 plus 5, 7, this is the addition children. 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 7, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, here 9. So total how much children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this answer is 96,875. This answer 96,875. So in July month, how many bicycles manufactured children? 96,875. Once again check children. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. Now take 3. 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6, plus 1 7, 3 1 is 3, and 3 3 is 9. 5, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 7 8, 3 plus 3 6, 9. Total 96,875. Once again children, is it correct or wrong? Once again take 1 minute, sorry, half minute. Yeah, clear children? Next. Alright, sixth problem children. Next problem. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kgs 400 grams. So 5 biscuit packets size weight is 8 kgs 400 grams. So what is the weight of each packet? Here 5 packets weight is given. Here how many biscuit packets are there children? 5 packets. So that 5 packets weight equal to 8 kgs 400. So these 5 biscuit packets are same size. These 5 biscuit packets are same size. That weight is given 8 kgs 400 grams. So weight of 5 biscuit packets. Weight of 5 biscuit packets. So weight of 5 biscuit packets equal to 8 kgs 400 grams. 8 kgs 400 grams. Here asking weight of 1 biscuit packet. These 5 big biscuit packets are same size. So weight of 1 biscuit packet equal to question mark. Once see children, 5 biscuit packets weight given, that is 8 kgs 400 grams. Here asking weight of 1 biscuit packet, that is the question mark. That we have to do here. Now take 8 kgs 400 grams divided by total how many biscuit packets children? 5. It is equal to weight of 1 biscuit packet. This division 8 kgs 400 grams divided by 5. It is equal to the weight of 1 biscuit packet. So do division. So here kgs to grams. So this kgs convert into grams. This kgs convert into grams. So 1 kg equal to how many grams children? Already we know that. Already we learned that in previous class, that in 5th class. So 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So here 8 kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Here 8 kg is given. So 8 kg is equal to how many grams? 8000 grams. So here 8000 grams plus 400 grams. So 8000 plus 400 how much children? 8400 grams. 8400 grams divided by 5. Therefore 8400 grams divided by 4. Clear children? Here 8 kg is 400 grams given. So this kg is converted into grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 8 kg is equal to 8000 grams. So 8 kg is 400 grams. So how much children? 8400 grams. So divided by, sorry here 5. So do division. Do division here. 8400 divided by 5. So take 5 in 8, one time divisible. 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 5 how much children? 3. So bring down 4. Bring down 4. So this is the 34. 8 minus 5, 3. Bring down 4. In 34, 5 how many? 6 times. 6 5 are 13. 4 minus 0, 4. Bring down 0. In 45, how many times children? 8 times. So 5 8 are how much children? 40. 0. Bring down 0. In 0, 5 how many times children? 0 times. So 0 minus 0 how much children? 0. So how much here? 1680 grams. Why? Because this is the gram. That's why the result also come in grams. 1680 grams. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousand place, which number is there children? 1. That means 1 kg 680 grams. How much children? 1 kg 680 grams. So the weight of one biscuit packet, how much children? 1 kg 680 grams. One second children. Clear? Clear children? Yes. Next. Next problem, that is 7th one. The distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Here distance given that between the school and bus stop. Between the school and bus stop. How much is given? 1 kilometer 875 meters. So every day Gayatri walks both the ways. Both the ways means in morning school to bus stop and bus stop to evening, bus stop to school. Once again children, in morning she walks school to bus stop, in evening again reverse, bus stop to school. So two ways, two times she walked in per day. Here asking find the total distance she walked in 6 days per day both ways. Means that mean 1 kilometer 875 plus 1 kilometer 875. That answer into how many days given here? 6 days. Do multiplication. Yes. The distance between the school and bus stop is how much children? 1 kilometer 875 meters. 1 kilometer and 875 meters. So Gayatri walks both ways. Both ways means in morning time she walks school to bus stop. How much children? 1 kilometer to 1 kilometer 875. In evening again bus stop to school to reach that her home. So children, addition per day. Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. So attend the school means per day. Per day, number of kilometers she walks. Per day, she walks number of kilometers. That means do addition 1 kilometer plus 875, 1 kilometer 875 meters plus 1 kilometer 875 meters. Do addition. So 5 plus 5, 0. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So total, how many kilometers she walked per day, children? 3 kilometers, 740 meters. This is the per day. They are asking 6 days, how many kilometers she walked? That means do multiplication. On 6 days, you walk number of kilometers. So this is the question mark. So do multiplication. Take this one. 3 kilometers, 740 meters into 6. So 0 6 are 0, 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are how much children? 24. 2 carry. So 7 6 are how much children? 42. 7 6 are 42 plus 2 how much children? 44. 4 carry. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are how much children? 18. 18 plus 4, 22. This is the kilometer. This is the meter. Once again children, 6 days given. We are asking 6 days. 6 into 0, 0. 6 4 are 24. 2 carry. 6 7 are 42 plus 2, 44. 4 carry. 6 3 are 18 plus 4, 22. So what is the answer children? This is the 22. Yes, 22 kilometers of 440 meters. So on 6 days she walked number of kilometers with what children? 22 kilometers 440 meters. This is the answer. Once again children. Clear children? Next problem. Next problem children. The cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter. The cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter. So 1 liter cost equal to 60 rupees. A petrol pump sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. On day, how many liters of petrol sells on that pump children? 750 liters. They are asking how much money do they get at the end of that day. So which operation you have to apply children in this problem? What children? Multiplication. What children? Multiplication. So 1 liter petrol. Cost of 1 liter petrol how much children? 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Here asking cost of 750 liters. 750 liters petrol. It is very simple children. Cost of 1 liter petrol given how much children? How much given? 60 rupees. They are asking cost of 750 liters petrol. That is the question mark. So 750 into each liter cost how much children? 60 rupees. So do multiplication. Do multiplication here. So 750 into 60. 0 into 0, 0, 0 5, 0, 0 7, 0. Now tens place. 6 zeros, 0, 6 5 jar, 30, 3 carry, 6 7 jar, 42 plus 3, 45. Once again children, 6 0 0, 0 5 0, 0 7 0. 6 0 0, 6 5 jar, 30, 3 carry, 6 7 jar, 42 plus 3, 45. So this total how much children? 45,000. So the cost of 750 liters of petrol how much children? 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees. Clear children? Yes. Once look in exercise 1.5, fifth problem and eighth problem. fifth problem and eighth problem. I will give it to your homework. We'll work out at home these two problems after completion of this video class. Next, be serious on this R word problem solution. Why? Because so we have little bit confused on word problems. Okay, children. So it is very clear. Thank you very much.